Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CCXI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And then in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a nice bounce. I mean, when you consider where the price was at its lows and then the fact that it went all the way up there, that is definitely a nice bounce. Now, don't get me wrong, the overall day was pretty rough, but the price did show some good solid strength from where those lows were. And this all does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this level right here at 870. Why is 870 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with true power, so a bounce that's actually a bounce, well, it's going to keep on bouncing, right? And the price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, yeah, thanks, Captain Obvious. If this is a bounce, then the price is not going to go back to where it was. That'd be, a total contradiction, to which I do agree. So with that in mind, think about 870. If the price were to go down to 870 and then just continue on down through it, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? Well, that would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart where it was at those lows. And again, going back, not a sign of true power. Whereas let's say the price pulls back, comes down here, behaves like that, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that low right there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined as $8.70. Now, what about levels of resistance going forward? In terms of where the majority of the sellers are at, seems to be right up here around $9.50. I get it, the price did technically go up through there, but there are just a lot more data points right around $9.50. So in my opinion, that's more so the truer level of resistance going forward. All in all, though, great movement today from where it was at its lows, and now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this bounce going forward? We will see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.